Hey gang, Poppy here. If you're not over the age of 18, go away. Seriously, go. Go, 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 go. I don't want you here. This show is for old men. So unless you got gray hair, old ladies, you're welcome too. But if you're under 18, get out. Get out. Okay, go. Hey gang, I promised you no partisan politics and no comparative religion. I didn't say nothing about international politics, now did I? And with this last week's events, perhaps Canada should declare war on Iran. Because unlike South Park, no one will blame Canada. Nobody. And instantly, bang, NATO's on your side. And right after them is the United Nations. Yeah, well, tell NATO not to bend over. United Nations will make them know that they're there. Ugh. I mean, it's sad. All this stuff going on. And now the Iranians are wanting to claim that the video showing the missile hitting the plane is a fake. I wish we could pull out the spy satellite footage of the event, but sources and methods. Oh, they gotta know we got satellites all over that area. An Iraqi soldier doesn't step off the side of the road to water a tree that someone in the Pentagon isn't logging it. Iran, bite the bullet and admit you did it. Because I'm afraid if you don't, you're going to bite a lot of bullets.